Let's talk about situations in the future. In this video, Laura and Tom will help you to revise and to learn about the use of different tenses. You already know the going to future.
What is your plan for the weekend, Laura? I'm going to visit my grandparents.
Here, they use the going to future to talk about a plan in the future.
Look at that dark cloud over there.
Oh no, it is going to rain. In this example, Tom and Laura can already see a sign for what is going to happen. Here, the dark cloud. Now you remember the two uses of the going to future. Let's move on to something new. To form the will future, you use the word will and the infinitive without to. I will walk home, or short, I'll walk home. I will not take the train, or short, I won't take the train.
I'm going to meet Stan on the playground. I'll go with you.
Here, Tom uses the going to future to talk about his plan. Laura is deciding right now to go with Tom. It is spontaneous because she did not plan it first. Let's look at another example.
I hope you'll have time to play with me next week. I promise that I will play with you on Monday.
Here, they use the will future to talk about hopes and promises. Example number 3.
I want to be a builder one day. You probably won't be a builder. I think you'll be a teacher.
Is Laura sure that Tom will be a teacher? No, she isn't. She is only making a prediction about the future. Now you also know the 3 different uses of the will future. Sometimes you can even use the simple present to talk about the future.
When does the train to your grandparents' town leave?
It leaves at 3 p.m. on Friday. You can only use the simple present when you talk about a fixed time. For example, on a timetable for buses or for trains, but also, for example, the time when your lesson starts. So those are the 3 different tenses you can use to talk about the future.